Welcome to Agricultural Development Trust Sharda Bai Pawar, Mahila Arts, Commerce and Science College, Sharda Nagar, Baramati. I am Professor Poonam Mishra and subject we are learning secretarial practice, in which we are learning the chapter number 11, secretarial correspondence with the bank, in which we are going to learn the question, that is precaution to be taken by the secretary while corresponding with the bank. Here the secretary should be well knowledge and well skilled while communicating or writing letter to any outside party, because he represent the company, and it will create a good impression of company if the letter will be written in a well format. So before writing any letter, the secretary should take these precautions. He should try to give the prompt reply. As and when the secretary will receive any letter or message from outside for any information or query, he should reply it as soon as possible. He should try to give quick reply on the letter. Next is brevity and conciseness. The letter should be brief, short, and concise. The too long letter is not read by the reader, and it is not entertained by the receiver also, and nobody will read the whole information, so hence the letter should be brief. Next is courtesy. The words which are written in the letter should be polite. No any bad or harsh words should be used in letter writing. So it shows the courtesy of the letter. Clarity. Whatever the words are written that have only one meaning, two or double meaning words should be avoided. It will otherwise it will be not understood by the receiver, and sometimes he can get confused. So clarity should be there. Next is accuracy. Letter should be accurate in respect of grammar and spelling. If the error will be there in the grammar and spelling, it will create the bad impression, and also it will misunderstood by the recipient. Next is secrecy. Whatever the information is written in the letter, it should not be exposed to the person who are not related to that content or the topic. It means the mail or letter directly should reach to the recipient only, and secrecy should be mentioned. Legal procedure. The secretary should follow all the legal procedure and follow all the formality before writing or sending any letter. So students, our question is letter for opening a current account with the bank. Here in this, the name of the company will be written first in the center. Platinum Company, registered office, all the address, complete address, and after that CIN will be written, corporate identity number, and after that the phone, website of the company, fax, email, reference and date, and finally the receiver's address, and the secretary will write the letter to the bank manager. So here we have taken the example, the bank manager, Bank of Maharashtra, 30 JM Road, Nariman Point, Mumbai. If the office is in Mumbai, so bank account will be there in that bank only which is nearest to the office. Next, the subject, opening of a current account. After that, salutation will be written, that is, dear sir, this is to request you to open a current account in the name of our company, that is Platinum Company Limited. So secretary is requesting for opening the current account in the name of company, and he is saying that the board of director of the company has passed the resolution for this effect, for this thing, for opening the current account. The meeting was held on 27th May 2018. Please find the enclosed here with the following document for the purpose of opening current account of our company. So secretary has mentioned the document which is attested or enclosed with this letter. So first thing which is enclosed with the letter is the current account opening form. which is duly completely filled and signed and dated. Next is certified copy of certificate of incorporation, means certificate of registration of company. After that, certified copy of memorandum and articles of association of company. Certified copy of present director of the company. How many directors are there in the company right now? Specimen signature containing signature of two director, that is Mr. Yash, Mrs. Yukta, and company secretary. After that, certified copy of the board resolution which was held on 27 May 2018. You know that in every board meeting the resolution is passed. So that resolution is a legal procedure and it is also attested with the letter. Duly filled up pay slip along with the 3000 rupees. As you know, when the account will be open, there should be a minimum balance requirement. So here the secretary has mentioned that we have enclosed the pay in slip along with the letter, that is rupees 3000 in cash and as initial deposit. Copies of PAN and TAN. Copies of permanent account number and trade account number card is given. Thanking you, yours faithfully, for Platinum Company Limited, signed of the company secretary. And enclosure means the document which is attested with the letter. So these all document or certificate will be attested, or the copy of this document will be enclosed with this letter. Our next letter is grant of overdraft facility for the current account which is already opened in the bank. So here you can see the name and address of the company is written in the same manner as it was in the previous letter. Again, the left hand side phone and fax, right hand side website, email, and then the date. Finally, the reference number of the meeting in which the decision is passed, and then the bank manager, Bank of Maharashtra, means receiver address. And again, subject is a grant of overdraft facility. Before going for the letter, we should understand what is overdraft. Overdraft means it is a facility given by the bank to the current account holder, in which the account holder can withdraw the excess amount which was there in the balance in that account. It means whatever the credit balance is available in the bank, if say rupees 5 lakhs, and if the company has a overdraft facility, it can withdraw more than 5 lakhs. Here it is known as a overdraft facility. So reference is a current account number. They want the overdraft facility for this account number. So dear sir, salutation, and then after the main content of the letter. Our company has a current account with your bank since last 5 years. Since 5 years the company has opened the account. Now they want a overdraft facility in it. The board of director in its meeting held on 3rd July 2000. See, the letter is written 5th July and decision is passed on the 3rd July 2018. They have decided to request to grant the overdraft facility. How much they want overdraft facility? Of up to rupees 5 lakh for the period of 3 months. So for this 5 lakh, what they have done, they have given the security. You can see further. From which we August to October. It means the company wants 5 lakhs overdraft facility for 3 months only. Okay, from August to October, and they are the we are the manufacturers of computer peripherals, means they are the manufacturer of computer parts, and now they have received a large export order, means exporting the order to the country, and for which to another country, for which they want a working capital, means short capital, working capital for a very short period. So for that they are asking the bank to request to allow the overdraft facility. So here they have written, we request you to accept the security of fixed deposit worth 5 lakh with your bank. Means for granting the overdraft facility, they have for 5 lakh they have deposited, they have kept As a mortgage, we can say 5 lakhs rupees fixed deposit with their bank. An early reply will be appreciated, means they need a answer on a quick basis. They early reply they want. Thanking you. That's it. Hope student you have understood the video. We will meet soon in the next video. Thank you.